Welcome back, guys, to another day in Christine's Jamaican kitchen. Today I am doing deep fried lobster tail. But before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button. Tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more wonderful recipes available. You know what to do by now. Go ahead, guys. Tap that button. Tap, 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 tap. And don't forget, always, if you like the video, press like. This is all my ingredients that I need for this dish.
Oil, black pepper, garlic herbs, Maggi all-purpose seasoning, jerk seafood seasoning, allspice, Maggi chicken flavor,
Onion, tomato, Scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, scallion, cooking butter, lime, of course my seasoned lobster tail. Let's go wash our hands and start cooking.
So our little pot is hot and we're gonna add the lobster tail, but you gotta look at this pot. Why is it so small? Can't even cook bacteria.
Oh my goodness. You're making fun of my small pot, but if it's too small, we'll just switch to a bigger pot. I did switch to a bigger pot, and I'm noticing the difference because one, I took it completely out of its shell, and the other two I left some of the shell on.
So how do you know the oil is hot enough to fry?
Because you can tell when your oil is hot. You can tell. Some people sometimes they may drop a little bit of flour in it, and then you hear that sound. But you can tell. You can definitely tell when your pot is super hot or when your oil is super hot. When your pot is super hot, you're gonna see it start, smoking and stuff. Why order my lobster tail and skin up so? Usually when we sell fish and a whole and all them stuff, then when them skin up, then tough. Meaning, they're stale. They're not fresh. But these say should be fresh, so let's see.
Why did you decide to put lobster?
Because I was craving some lobster tail. And I'm trying not to use a whole lot of oil.
But usually you want it to be submerged.
Yes, into the oil. Yes. There you go. After 12 minutes of frying, that's what my lobster tails look like. I'm just gonna go ahead right here and cut up my tomato, my vegetables, because I'm gonna do a sauce. So I had washed my lobster tail with my lime, of course. Cut it. Took one out of the shell. The rest I left some of the shell on. Had it sitting there marinating with all my dry seasoning, which is my jerk sauce, my allspice, my Maggi, my scallion, onion, garlic. And that was marinating for a couple of hours, around 4 hours. I'm just gonna add it to my dish that I had my lobster tail marinating in. I'm just gonna add those vegetables in it. Or to it. My kids are not really seafood lovers. My husband and I, we love our seafood. A little teary eye from the seasoning, from the onion. Butter to your pan.
It's kind of bothering me how it's just sitting there.
Tablespoon of the oil that I used to fry my lobster tail in. And then we're just gonna saute our vegetables, our scallion and tomato. Lobster tail. Some more oil. Lid it.
Oh, we'll try to lid it.
Try to lid it. At this point, I'm just gonna squeeze half a lime. Ooh. Almost didn't have any juice in here. You know me, always have some of my dry seasoning to add. As you know, I'm all about the flavor. Flavoring up the thing. just make it simmer down a little bit more and that's it. Guys, dinner done, dinner ready. My fried lobster is ready. So what I did was, after frying, I went ahead and I sauteed my vegetable, add my lobsters to that sauce, cover it, and just let it simmer for around 8 minutes. I am ready to eat my lobster. Kimberly, you want to go ahead and try it? I know you're not crazy about seafood.
Sure.
But try it and tell me what you think. You want a small piece? Go ahead. Okay. That's too big. If you just want a small piece, that piece is small. Okay.
It isn't for me.
It's not for you? That's alright. But what it tastes like?
I don't know. A little bit like chicken.
Guys, as I said before, me and my husband, we love seafood and we love it, some lobster. And let me tell you, this fried lobster is the bomb. Just want to add the sauce because I don't want it dry. So, of course, you know, I made my little sauce to go with it. But man, may I tell you, good to the bone. You guys are missing out. But you have your spaghetti and sausage, so you can have that. And me and Daddy, we're gonna have our lobster. Guys, I'm gonna catch you in the next video because guess what? I'm gonna make dinner. So, bye! Bye for now! Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.